Welcome to another Save Your Books video. This time I'm going to show you how to take care of a modern book where the front has just come detached. Now, when this book was brought to me, the person suggested that maybe we just wanted to glue this to this, but that is exactly the wrong thing to do. So I'm going to show you the correct thing to do. First thing you want to do is to test the pages and make sure they're still attached, that you don't have to reattach the first few pages. That one's fine. It's really not coming off at all. And the next thing we want to do is to see how this end sheet is staying on here, or how we can get it to lift up, because what we want to do is we want to attach something that goes from the back of here of the spine of the text block underneath the paste down. So I'm just adding some more glue into the attachment area. Okay. I think if I leave this in place to dry overnight, that I will be happy with that.